Come and get around now. Come and get around now.
Good morning, guys. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Rachel Amma, and today I'm going to take you through what I eat in a day as a vegan. And at the end of the day, I'm going to take you to a training session of mine. So it's quite important for me on a day like this to make sure I'm getting enough calories and enough food so that I have a good amount of energy and I'm not wasting away when I'm training. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The training session is going to be really fun. I'm a little bit scared because yeah, it's my friend's training thing and I just feel like he's just gonna go in, but that's good training. So let's get straight in with breakfast. So normally for breakfast, I would typically have oats and porridge, but because I'm gonna be showing you guys what I'm eating today, I felt like switching it up a little bit, making it a little bit more fancy. So I'm gonna be doing vegan chocolate protein waffles. I'm winging the recipe a little piece, but it should be amazing. So let's make these waffles. So for this, I'm gonna be using buckwheat flour, protein powder, oat flour, banana, baking powder, raw cacao, freshly made almond milk. And I think that's the main competitors involved in this recipe. First, I'm just gonna mash up a banana. It's always easier and best to use brown bananas that are nice and ripe, they're nice and sweet, and they're nice and soft. Once I've done this, I'm gonna use some buckwheat flour. Using buckwheat flour is really good because it's high in protein and high in fiber because it actually comes from a seed. So it's also gluten-free. Then I am adding my raw cacao for that really good chocolate fix, and that pure chocolate fix because it's high in antioxidants. It's pure, guys, it's healthy. Then I went in with 10 grams of protein powder and also some oat flour. Now I'm just going to mix all my dry ingredients together. I've made 1 flax egg, so that is 1 tablespoon of flax seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. Then I'm adding my mashed banana, and for some sweetness I added some maple syrup. Now in our house, we've started to make our own almond milk. We're taking steps to be more of a waste-free house. The goal is to be waste-free, so anything that we can do that we know we're going to cut down on packaging, we are doing ourselves now. Also, nut milks are really easy to make, it's just the convenience. Once you get in the habit, it's really quite simple. Then I'm going to mix it all together, then add it to my waffle iron. Using the buckwheat, which is high in protein and fiber, means these are very filling in a good way. They will keep you full. They're slow burning carbs, so it's a really good way to start the day. Top with whatever you fancy. I've just gone in with some maple syrup, some homemade granola, fresh berries. Pretty much how I decorate my porridge in the morning. Throwing on some banana as well. And then I have some coconut yogurt, not Koyo. I don't know if you guys have heard about Koyo and having traces of dairy in their coconut yogurt that had to be recalled back to the company. That was an article. Interesting one, isn't it? So this is the finished product. So this is a masterpiece. Can you guys, I mean, I will have to put this recipe up for you guys so you guys can try it yourselves. I know what you're thinking, Rachel, who has time in the morning to make those waffles? So what you can do with something like waffles is make them the day before and then toast them the next morning. And then it's quick and easy and you still get to enjoy them. Let me eat this down and then I'm gonna come back at lunch.
Do you want to come inside? Your little beard, your little tush.
Good girl! So for lunch, I'm making chickpea pasta. Chickpea pasta is full of protein. Just 100 grams has 20 grams of protein, which is insane. So if you're looking for a new way to get some high protein foods in your meal, chickpea pasta is the one. It takes minutes to cook. You do not want to overcook it so it is soggy. In my opinion, you've got to coat it in some kind of sauce. You can't have it plain, you need a good sauce with it. So I've just added tomato sauce and spinach, added some nutritional yeast on top and went in with some black pepper and kept it really, really quick and simple for my lunch. This literally takes minutes. So I wasn't really sure what to have for dinner. Then I remembered I made a spicy peanut sauce the other day. So in here is nut butter. So I used peanut butter, I used chilies, I used tamari and some lime. And it made a very simple, easy, spicy, nutty sauce. I don't have noodles today, so I'm just gonna make it with rice and it's gonna bang, it's gonna bang. So first I'm gonna stir fry all my vegetables. My garlic, my broccoli, my green onions, my red peppers, courgette, green beans. I think that was all of them. And I'm just gonna stir fry these in a bit of coconut oil. In my opinion, it's really nice if you stir fry them, but you don't overcook them. I do like that little bit of crunch, that juicy crunch right at the end. And then I've just cooked some red rice and I'm adding that straight to the pan with my cooked vegetables. Then I've added some coriander and the spicy peanut sauce, and then I'm just gonna mix it together. And when I tell you, this is like one of my favorite things to make. You can make it with any kind of rice, quinoa, noodles, go crazy. So to top, I added some more coriander and I also went in with some more green onions, sprinkled some lime on top, added some avocado, and this was so delicious. And the peanut sauce does make it really filling in a good way. So this bowl is so nice. I do normally have it with noodles, but I was out and it is so nice with rice as well. It's kind of like nutty, just hearty, and then you bite into those fresh vegetables. It's, yeah, winner. So delicious, honestly. If you want to make it a little bit healthier, you don't have to use peanuts. You could use almonds. I made it with almonds too, but it's way more fun with peanut. Let me know if you want me to put the recipe for the sauce on this one. It's very simple, but if you do want me to make a recipe for it, please let me know in the comments, because it is so damn good. I need to try it. I'm not even just trying to like, it's just, oh. And because of the nut butter, it makes it very, very filling. It's so nice.
I know one thing for certain. You better keep your eyes peeled, I'm lurking.
Alright guys, I've been fed, I've eaten, and now it is off to do some training. Let's hope I survive, because yeah.
Hello Zuko coaching. This is our free boot camp for the community. Partnership with Milk Fitness. Taking the warm up right now. Welcome Rachel Emma. Go stretch. Come on, uncle, tell them, uncle. Tell them, uncle. Let's go, uncle. Look at them yam arms. Come on, Ray. Come on, Ray.
Age, sex, location.
You said ASL, you know. I'm 25 in 2 weeks.
Is that all?
Clearly a male. I know. Seriously? We're here to all sweat.
Yeah?
So it's called We All Sweat. We all come together once a week to sweat, to work hard, to make some gains, and of course get ready for summer. So Rachel did well today. She did well. She's a warrior, you know. But I knew that from before, from going to the gym.
Yeah, he did.
You know, I see her pushing weight. I know what she's
trying. Thank you all for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed doing a what I eat in a day with me and training with me. As you can see, certain things I'm not good at. You know, I ain't got abs yet. It's a bit of a problem in that area, but you know, I'll work towards it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed coming with me throughout the day, and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do more videos like this where I take you through some training days, and if you want me to go over what I'm eating and the actual nutrient values in that, please do let me know in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. I need to go, so I'm gonna go there.
wanna get friendly with her. Wanna get friendly with her.
Fly abroad, sip some yak. Wishing I could pause and relax. Pause and relax. Hit my yard, bought a back. Wishing I could pause and relax. Pause and relax. Fly abroad, sip some yak. Wishing I could pause and relax. Pause and relax.